Sheikh, we all know that severing the kinship relationship will not allow, Allah will not allow us in Jannah. But somebody told me that even if you cut a severe relationship with your Muslim brothers, if you don't talk to them, if you don't do salam to them, then your prayers and your hajj and your zakat are invalid, which I said it is not so. So I just wanted to ask you about this, Sheikh.
First of all, the hadith relating to severing ties of kinship is authentic. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, لا يدخل الجنة قاطع. A person who does not, or a person who severs his kinship ties will not be admitted to Jannah. And this, as part of our belief as Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah, is not for eternity, because he's not a kafir, but it is for a prolonged period of time, and such a sin is under the divine will, like all other sins. If Allah wishes, He forgives, and if Allah wills it, they will be punished in hellfire for a period of time and then be admitted to Jannah. Except shirk and kufr. This is not under the divine will, because Allah had already preordained it that they will be in hell for eternity. As for boycotting the Muslim brother, if there is no legitimate reason, the hadith of Ka'b ibn Malik, if it's not done for a legitimate Islamic reason, the Prophet ﷺ gave those two Muslim individuals who were fighting or disputing over an issue and they were mad at one another, Allah gave them the natural period to vent out and calm down, and that is 3 days. So it is permissible for me to avoid and boycott and not reply to a Muslim brother, a stranger, for 3 days and nights. After that, when we meet, it is totally prohibited to give our backs to one another or to ignore one another or not to reply to the salam of one another. So if I see my brother after 5 days, this friend of mine, and I say, Assalamu alaikum, though I'm angry with him, he's angry with me. If he looks the other way and does not give salam back, then he is at fault. He's committing a major sin. But this has nothing to do with his prayer, fasting, and good deeds. Rather, his good deeds will not be elevated to Allah until he reconciles. Not that they are void or unaccepted or rejected. So I hope this answers your question.